This phone has a metal frame and it's strong. It has an AMOLED display with a fast refresh rate, a 50 megapixel OIS camera that captures decent pictures at day and night. It has a 5200 mAh battery with 90 watts fast charging support. It has wireless charging support. For the price, it's packing a lot of features that other smartphones don't have. But is it worth buying? Well, let's find out. Let's go to the unboxing. When you open the box of this smartphone, you're going to find a screen protector, a plastic case, a USB Type-C earphones, a USB Type-C cable, a 90 watts charger, and the phone itself. The one I have here is the Enchanted Purple color. It also comes in titanium gray, shadow black, and a racing edition. Now let's talk about the build quality. It has a metal frame, giving it a solid yet premium feel, just like flagship devices. The curved edges makes it comfortable to hold, while the glass back enhances its premium look. And since the rear of this smartphone is made from glass, it supports wireless charging up to 30 watts, which is really fast, faster than some other smartphones' wired charging. Now, despite its metal frame, the phone isn't heavy. It only weighs 196 grams and it maintains a slim profile. For the IP rating, it's an IP64 rated device, which means it is dust-proof and resistant to splashes. So please do not dip this smartphone inside water. Now, for the external features, let's start out with the new standard addition, and that's the Bioactive Halo AI light. The light activates in different scenarios, like when you receive a notification, when you charge your smartphone. The Halo light also doubles as a sensor for measuring heart rate and blood oxygen levels. Moving on to the external features, it has a dual SIM card tray that supports 4.5G network. It has dual stereo speakers that sound alright. It has an IR blaster to control appliances. Infinix is calling the power button the one-tap button, which allows you to activate Folax, the personal AI assistant. The fingerprint scanner is an optical one, and the unlocking speed is fast. Now let's check out the display. It's a 6.78-inch Full HD AMOLED display with very slim bezels. The display is vibrant, contrasty, and smooth. It refreshes at 144 Hz and it's very responsive. It also has a bright display. It has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, and that means you can use the smartphone outside and it's going to be visible. Watching content on this smartphone is going to be a blast. It has dual stereo speakers. The display colors are very vibrant, so the display is good for the price. But what about the performance? Well, the Infinix Note 50 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset. The performance is good for most of the things you do on your smartphone, be it browsing, going to social media apps, or watching content on YouTube. This phone can handle all of that easily. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM, and switching between apps is fast. Now, what about if you're a gamer? Is this smartphone going to be good for you? It will run most of your favorite games at medium graphics. For example, PUBG, it ran the game at HD graphics and high frame rate. You can also select smooth graphics and ultra frame rate to make the game run smoother. The gameplay was good, no lag. Call of Duty Mobile, it ran the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. The gameplay was good. I didn't experience any lag. For Genshin Impact, one of the most demanding games on mobile, it ran the game at low graphics. The game was playable and it didn't lag. Infinix Note 50 Pro is running Android 15 with XOS 15.0.1, and it brings many changes and new features. The animation is more fluid, the icons look better. Infinix is promising 2 years of major Android OS updates, so it's going to get Android 16 and 17. Now, for the new features in XOS 15.0.1, if you go to the settings under Infinix AI, you're going to see all the AI features on this smartphone. It has Folax, the AI assistant. It integrates DeepSeek to give you better answers. What's the price of the Infinix Note 50 Pro in Lagos, Nigeria?
The price of the Infinix Note 50 Pro in Lagos, Nigeria varies depending on the retailer and the specific configuration.
That's a real-time call translator. It has cycle to search. Now let's check out the camera. The Infinix Note 50 Pro has a 32 megapixel selfie camera and it looks good. Portrait shots look good. Good separation, the photos are good enough for social media, and you don't even need to edit them because overall the picture looks good. And I have to point out that this camera does a very good job of getting accurate skin tones. So here's a video from the front-facing camera shooting in 2K 30fps. Right now we're in Sokoto, Nigeria. That's the desert over there, and that's the ocean. So what do you guys think about the video quality? Now for the main camera, oh my goodness, for the price of this smartphone, it really does a good job. The 50 megapixel main camera slaps when it comes to taking pictures of buildings, it's a 10 out of 10. Now for photos of objects, it's good, and for photos of food, it's nice. Night photos captured by the main camera are really good as well. Now moving to the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, it's also impressive, and the color matches the main camera, which is something you don't see with smartphones around the price point. For macro shots, it's just decent. So in dual view, it shoots in 1080p, 30 fps, high quality. Let me know in the comments. Now this smartphone comes with a 5200 mAh battery, and from my usage, it lasted the entire day. I only had to charge the smartphone once a day, and it's usually in the evening. For wire charging, it's insanely fast with its 90 watts fast charger. Wireless charging is 30 watts, which is actually faster than some smartphones' wire charging. That's impressive. It also supports reverse charging. You can use the smartphone to charge other devices that support wireless charging, and you can also use it as a power bank to charge other devices. Thanks for watching Valor Reviews, signing out.